what's going on, everybody? Alex Vorasan here today. So basically, I'm going to walk you through on how to achieve the 1K days and what I do on a daily basis as far as strategies and my methods. So this is the top formula and what I do that's generating the income. So who am I? What am I about? Well, I was working the 9 to 5 job, just like everybody else has at one point or another. But mine was more like a 9 to 9. I was working 70 plus hours a week. Long story short, I got laid off and replaced with a robot. So here I am today. I ventured into the online marketing world. I focus on free Facebook strategies and I help people out with that. But I also partnered up with a Scandinavian health company, and we provide scientifically proven and test-based nutrition. So throughout my journey, I've been coached and mentored by so many industry leaders, and that's changed my entire life. So I'm going to walk you through basically, like I said, on what I do on a day-to-day basis, show you some results as well, and we can go from there. All right, you guys. So this is my Facebook profile. Right off the bat, happy Monday, $2,000 plus day. All right, and this is a part-time side gig. I don't say this to lure people in as far as, hey, make this money, make that money. I say it because it's showing you that it is very possible to do, because I was somebody who was working 70 plus hours a week. Here I am with my lovely wife, just enjoying the day. And I tell people my life, my story, everything transparent on Facebook. One post a day, one picture per day. And people love it. They absolutely love it. They want to know who you are, what you're about, what you're doing, what ventures you're in. I also show testimonials from students as well. But I also make videos and provide free tips and methods to help people that aren't even on my team, right? So everybody can win in this industry. It doesn't matter if you're in direct sales, network marketing, affiliate marketing, crypto, Forex. Everybody can win from these simple methods and these programs and systems and tools. So I'm just scrolling as I go. And as you can see, we just had one member get 25 signups, and she's been in less than a month ago. Less than a month ago. Now that's pretty amazing. Now think about it. If you're in affiliate marketing and one sale is $1,000 times 25, that's $25,000, right? That's pretty epic. And if you're in CBD, imagine 25 more customers or 25 more partners. Or if you're in some kind of network marketing, selling pots and pans, Tupperware, imagine 25 more customers or 25 new business partners. That's amazing. And she's been in less than a month. All right. So all I do, one post per day with pictures and write up a story. Sometimes I motivate people, but other times I educating people. And then I'm just showing them my lifestyle, what I want, what I'm about, and my journey. But I'm fully transparent, and that's the main thing. Now, I also teach people how to get massive engagement. So right here, as you can see, my lovely wife and I, 115 reactions with 40 comments. It's pretty awesome, not too bad. These methods I've been doing for years and years and years and years and years. And some other ones I incorporated just last month, and it's been absolutely crushing it. So what I know as far as knowledge and helping people out, I share with everybody. And there's always innovation in the industry. So you always got to keep up to date with that. And yeah, you can do this on different platforms, Instagram, LinkedIn. People are all over social media, but I do highly recommend one. I prefer Facebook. That's where I see the most success. Here's another student. Let's see what he has to say.
System, it does. With the help of my mentor, Alex Baratheon, I was able to make a monthly residual income of $1,100. So I am here to tell you, this system, it does work.
Hey, that was pretty epic. So that was 1,100 in residuals for Rayon Gibson. Now, I find that to be pretty amazing. Like I said, RVL, I learned it from Fraser McDonald. Show the results, show the value, show the lifestyle, and just telling more stories on a regular basis. So we can scroll for days and days and days, but I'm not here to show just the amount of income. I'm here to show the results. So let's dive into what this program actually has to offer for you, and also whatever business venture you're currently doing. And if you don't have one yet, then this is a good way to start as well. What you see here is the Genesis library of the Exodus Elite program. Now, there's 4 levels that you can come in at, and they're all absolutely amazing, especially if you have a current business. This is going to help you generate more sales leads as well, more signups, more people to buy your service or product. And I highly recommend the G1000 package, simply because you get all 4 packages at this purchase, at this level. And it's pretty epic with what they have to offer. So they call it the G1000. And as you can see already, you're getting massive value. 25 videos on this push button podcast, 50 videos on wealth creation blueprint. This is the best of the best, top notch, and it's going to help you for your personal development, but also for your sales and your organization, for your team. And you can offer this to your team as well so that they can grow and they can learn and they can generate more sales and they can become a better version of themselves. Now, G1000, that's $1,000 to be all in. And as you can see, there's a ton of videos, how to use webinars for your business, 12 videos. And what I absolutely love about this company is that they are always updating their content. So that's something you don't have to worry about you watching all the videos or all the audiobooks, and then you're like, well, what do I do from here? Well, they're always updating their content, so you don't have to worry about going over old material. So look at this, free business videos, internet business models, 27 videos, 20 videos, Bitcoin secrets. A lot of people are into crypto. So that's absolutely amazing. Like I said, this is a G1000 level. And every time you make a sale on the G1000, hey, you get $1,000. And for your partner, when they come in and they make their first sale, that first sale, it goes up to you. So, and you're not even doing anything besides helping them out to get that sale. So you're getting $1,000 right there, right off the bat. Now imagine one sale per day. Or for most people would be even happy with one sale a week, or maybe even one sale a month for some of you. I mean, an extra $1,000 a month. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. That's a mortgage payment right there. Rent, car payment, cell phone, you name it. So along with that G1000, you'll get all the other levels, the G500. So this is a $500 value, G500, $500. Yep. So 7 videos on $1 Million Copy, overcoming excuses, the warrior mindset. This is jam-packed with information. And this is designed for high ticket sales, telephone sales, affiliate marketing, network marketing, where majority of the people are in, MLM, direct sales. So, hey, are you selling that magic pill? Are you selling those Tupperware pots and pans, CBD? It all works. Are you selling Kangen? You know, all of it, this applies to every single business and company out there. So that's the G500. Look at the G250, another amazing product here. The lead book generator, power of execution, a $250 value. Well, the value is a lot more, to be honest. It's just $250. So they teach you from scratch. If you want to learn, this is the way to learn. It's literally step by step, okay? And I highly recommend sharing it with your team too. So then you can win, they can win, and then you grow your primary business while making this on the side too. And in the G100, they're still bringing a lot of value. Facebook Live Blueprint, Big Business Blueprint, Cryptocurrency Secrets, Email List Secrets, Internet Marketing in an hour a day. So all of them are jam-packed with information, and that's a G100 level. All right, so I went over a quick review of what the Genesis library has to offer, but that's just the beginning, you guys. So I'm Alex Vora saying I have other tools that I can provide to help you out. I just went over real quick what I do on a day-to-day basis. We didn't go into too much detail, but I will talk a little bit more about what's on this page. I do recommend the Easy Profile Profits, and right now it's only $97. It is $497 for the standard price. That is a great way to start your business for people who are completely brand new. It's a step-by-step with 10 or 12 videos, modules, and then right here, if you want to ramp up all your tasks and daily tasks that you do on Facebook, well, imagine doing a day's work in less than 10 minutes. That's why this Facebook Social Accelerator is amazing. I mean, this thing is almost $9,000, and you can get it at $497 at a one-time fee, and you'll have full access for the rest of your life. Otherwise, you can pay $47 per month as well. All right, but if you guys want some serious one-on-one, face-to-face, even coaching, mentorship, all of that good stuff, everything that you dreamt about and dreamed about before, you can hop in with me in my primary business. I do international business with the Scandinavian Health Company. I was one of the first Americans in the whole USA to open it up. And ever since then, it's been a true blessing with this company. I'm getting hundreds of dollars as far as products for free shipped to my home. And it's changed my entire life. I've been on all-inclusive trips with this company. The last one was to Bali, Indonesia for nearly 2 weeks. Everything was paid for, my plane ticket, the food, the drinks, you name it, the hotel, the resort, every single penny was paid for. But hey, you guys can view the links and check it out for yourself. I'm Alex Vorisane, and this is how I am crushing it on a day-to-day basis. And I look forward to hearing from you, and I will see you on the inside, my friends. Hey, what's up, you guys? So that was a really quick walkthrough of how you can achieve 1K days. I didn't go into the exact little details, but hey, I'm real and I'm here. You can message me anytime to talk. But those Facebook courses, the programs and tools, they're designed so that you build yourself as your own brand through social media, and most of all through Facebook, so that people actually come and ask you, what are you doing? I want to sign up with you. I want to do what you're doing. I want to be part of your tribe. I want to be part of your team. So at that point, they don't care how much it is going to cost them. They want to run with you. They want to work with you, and they want to make those commissions, and they do want that lifestyle, whatever lifestyle it is for them. All right. So this a little bit about the Facebook courses, the programs and tools. They're actually designed so that you're not pitching people in the inbox. You're not adding random people. You're not going after friends and family. This is reverse engineered, like I said, so that people are asking you, what are you doing? And they're asking, can I sign up with you? So you don't have prospects, or you don't go after people. You don't have to make a name list like what you've been taught. You don't have to invite people to three-way calls or to live webinars and seminars and go to these crazy events. Not that there's anything wrong with that, because we do need to learn and educate ourselves. But this is the new way to have a successful online business. And look at all the testimonials, and we're all crushing it, you guys. All right, so take a look again. Like I said, feel free to reach out to me. I'm Alex Vorisane. I'll see you on the inside.